This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in the cliffs at Dellridge at 81 Dellridge Lane. Starting at the entrance, there is a small laundry room on the immediate right housing a white, energy-efficient, laundry machine and dryer. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window on the back left wall. Rightwards of the primary bedroom doorway, there is a spacious walk-in closet that leads into an ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom features a vanity, toilet, and tiled shower. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror, and lighting. To the left of the primary bedroom is the kitchen. The galley kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. Next to the kitchen, there is a spacious dining room. The dining room features 2 large glass windows and a large glass door that leads onto a balcony on the back left wall. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features large glass windows on the back and right walls. Leftwards of the living room is a spacious den. To the left of the den is a hallway intersection. Left of the intersection is a walkway that bends rightwards to the entrance. Ahead of the intersection is the primary bathroom and second bedroom. On the left is the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom features a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 6 cupboards and 3 drawers below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror, and lighting. Directly across from the primary bathroom is the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a large glass window on the back right wall. On the left, there is a double-door closet.